Every time someone emails you a PDF, your productivity dies a little. You can't edit the text, you can't sign it properly, you spend 20 minutes searching free PDF to Word, end up on sketchy website with full of ads, and you still don't get the result that you really want. If this sounds like you don't have a PDF problem, you have a tool problem. In this video, I'm going to show you a platform called ZenDocs. It can replace almost every PDF tool that you're using right now. You will see how to convert PDFs into Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and even into images. Edit, sign, merge, split, or even compress PDFs in one single browser. Turn scan and images into real editable text. And fill official forms and legal templates in minutes, not hours. And all without installing anything on your computer. Hey guys, Rana here, and if you work with documents at school, at work, or in your business, watch this video till the end because I'll walk you through with ZenDocs and how it solves the biggest pain people have with PDFs. I'll leave the link to the ZenDocs in the video description and in the pinned comment as well so that you can try it yourself with 7-day trial after you watch this. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Step 1. The real problem with PDFs. Before I show you the PDF, think about how you normally handle the PDF. Someone send you a contract, but it locked as a PDF. You copy paste into Word and loses all the formatting and then manually fix it. And let's say you need to sign a document. You normally print it, sign it, and scan it back and then email it. And what if HR sent you a text or immigration form, you're trying to type into lines and don't line up and it looks terrible? And what if you want to extract the text from the scan or a photo? You normally literally retype it word by word. And what if your PDF is too big to upload somewhere and you start searching for random compression PDF site and hoping it doesn't ruin the quality or steal your data? Yeah, most free tools fix one problem, but they are full of ads, they limit you with tiny file size, and you end up using 5 different websites to get the one job done. And that's exactly the mess ZenDocs replaces. Step 2. What is ZenDocs? ZenDocs is an online PDF and documentation toolkit that you can use right in your browser. On the home page, you can see a big drag and drop area. Just drop your file or upload from your device. A simple top menu with everything grouped into convert, edit, forms, and template. There is nothing to install. You can upload a document and make your changes and then download or share it. A few important things to know right away. Bank grade security and 100% privacy. Documents are encrypted and handled on a secure server. Work on any device with a browser like laptop, desktop, Mac, phone, or tablet. You can handle large files, no silly 2 MB limits. Rate at around 4.8 to 4.9 from hundreds of real reviews. People actually use this tool every day, and the workflow is always the same. Upload your file, use the tool you need, for example convert, edit, sign, compress, etc. And finally download and share the result. Now let me walk you through the actual tool. Starting with the one people use the most, converting. Step 3. Converting PDFs and more with ZenDocs. Click on the convert menu at the top and you will see everything grouped very clearly. Convert from PDF. These are when you have a PDF and you want to convert it into something editable. PDF to Word, open contracts, essays, report in a Word and edit like a normal document. PDF to Excel, perfect for invoicing, tables and statements. PDF to PPTX, turn PDF slides or report into editable PowerPoint. PDF to JPG or PNG, export pages as an image for posting or presentation. Step 4. Edit, sign, merge, split and compress PDFs online. Edit PDF, change text, move or replace images, add new text boxes. This is a perfect if you spot a typo in a contract, you need to update your address or date, and if you want to add notes directly inside the document. Sign PDF, add digital signature by drawing it, uploading an image or typing or styling it. No need to print or scan just to sign one page. Delete pages, remove extra or sensitive pages from PDF. Merge PDF, combine multiple PDFs into one, great for combining reports, invoices or scan page. Merge images, turn several images into single PDF. Split PDF, extract specific pages into a new PDF. Compress PDF, shrink the file size, ideal for emailing or uploading without hitting the file size limit. compress image, reduce the size of the image while keeping them clean. All of this happen directly in your browser. So instead of one app for signing, one app for merging, one app for compressing, you are using just one site, ZenDocs. Step 5. Forms and templates. Skip the formatting headache. Now here's something that really stands out. ZenDocs has a full forms and template section. Click on the forms and you'll see different categories on the left side: business and corporate, employment, government services, and so on. In the main area, there is a grid of official looking forms like W9 form, W4 form, 19 forms, TD1 forms, various immigration forms, different text forms like Form 1040, etc. You can filter by categories and countries or search directly. When you click on Get Form on any of these, ZenDoc loads actual template. You can fill it online, sign it, and then download it, print it, or share it. Step 6. Security, pricing, and trial. Let's hit a big question people usually ask. Is ZenDocs free? ZenDoc actually works on a subscription model with 7-day trial. From the pricing section, you can start a 7-day trial for a very low amount, for example just $1. After the trial ends, there are recurring monthly fees around $39.99 a month. Make sure always check the site for current pricing. There may also be a long-term plan so that you can save money over a year. So you can try all these tools for 7 days, and if any case you don't like it, you can cancel it before it renews. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you find this ZenDoc review valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.